Here we will see string in Python. A string is a data structure that represents a sequence of characters. It is an immutable data type, that is, once you have created a string, you cannot change it. Strings are widely used in many different applications, such as storing and manipulating text data, representing names, addresses, and other types of data that can be represented as a text. Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with length of 1. Strings can be created by enclosing characters inside a single quotes or double quotes. Triple quotes can also be used in Python, but they are generally used to represent multi-line strings or docstrings. For example, here string 1 is created with single quote, string 2 is created with double quote, string 3 is created with 3 single quote, and string 4 is created with 3 double quotes. And when we print str1, str2, str3 and str4, it will give the output string in Python declared with single quote, then string in Python declared with double quote, string in Python declared with triple single quote, and string in Python declared with triple double quote. That is, we can create a string in Python with single quote, double quote, triple single quote and triple double quote. We can print a string with f strings. For example, here name variable is created in which value is assigned as ABC. Now to display a message as hi ABC, we will place the letter F before the opening quotation mark and put the braces around the variable name. For example, message equal to F hi, and in curly bracket we will write name, which is the name of the variable. And when we print the message, Python will replace the name by the value of the name variable. So it will give the output hi ABC. The message is a format string or f string in short. Here in Jupyter Notebook we will see declaration of a string. So we will declare str1 equal to, in single quote we will write string with single quote. Then in str2 we will write with double quote. Then in str3 we will write in triple single quote, and in str4 we will write with triple double quote, and we will print str1, then str2, str3 and str4. Here I will give str1 and I will execute this. It will print string with single quote, double quote, triple single quote and triple double quote. We can use triple single quote and triple double quote as a multiple line comment. And if we execute with triple single quote and with triple double quote, we can write the string in multiple lines.